Myself Shubham Kothari. I am going to discuss about the machine learning tool which is Weka. An introduction to Weka. The contents of it are: what is Weka, the dataset in Weka, the explorer, the pre-processed data, classification, clustering, association rules, attribute, selection, data visualization, the references and the resources which are used. What is Weka? Weka means that Wekato environment for knowledge analysis. It is a data mining or machine learning tool developed by Department of Computer Science, University of Waikato, New Zealand. Weka is a collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks. Weka is open source software issued under the GNU General Public License. How to install and download the Weka? The website is http://www.ch.waikato.ac.nz ml/weka index.html. It also supports the multiple platforms which are written in Java. It supports on Windows, Mac, OS X, and Linux. The Weka manual is also there. The main features of the Weka are: it has 49 data processing tools, 76 classification or regression algorithms, 8 clustering algorithms, 3 algorithms for finding association rules, and 15 attribute or subset evaluators plus 10 search algorithms for feature selection. The main graphical user interface of the Weka is as shown here. There is Explorer, Experimenter, Knowledge Flow, Workbench, Simple CLI. Simple CLI means simple command prompt, offers some functionality not available via the guide user interface. The datasets in Weka. Each entry in a dataset is an instance of the Java class, weka.core.instance. Each instance consists of a number of attributes. One of a predefined list of values, example red, green, blue. Numeric, a real or integer number, string enclosing double quotes, date, and relational. ARFF files. The external representation of an instance class consists of a header describes the attribute types, data section, comma separated list of data. Weka Explorer. How to pre-process, classify, cluster, these all are shown here. As we know that pre-process, choose and modify the data being acted on. Cluster, learn clusters for the data. Classify, train and test learning schemes that classify or perform regression. Visualize, view an interaction 2D plot of the data is shown in the visualize. Select attributes. By selecting the attributes, it select the most relevant attributes in the data. Explorer, pre-processing the data. Data can be imported from a file in various formats: CSV, ARF, C4.5, binary. Data can be read from a URL or from an SQL database using JDBC. Pre-processing tools in Weka are called filters. Weka contains filters for discretization, normalization, resampling, attribute selection, transforming, and combining attributes. This is the interface of the Weka Explorer, that how to open file, open URL, choose is all shown here. How to analyze all the data. So first of all, we will open the file, and then it we will see here sepal length, sepal width, petal width, class. After that, click on class. So we can see here the color class norm in three different colors. After that, click on visualize all. By clicking on visualize all, we can see the data in the visualized form of the sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and the class. Then click on choose. Then choose discrete 810 R first last. Then this will come. Then Explorer, building classifiers. Classifiers in Weka are models for predicting nominal or numeric quantities. Implementing learning schemes include decision trees and lists. Instance-based classifier support vector machines, multi-layer perceptrons, logistic regression, based nets, and much all. After that, click on classify. In that Weka tool, select rules, and there is J48. After that, clicking on that, result list is there. Click on that and visualize tree. So we can see the tree Explorer clustering data. Weka contains clusters for finding group of similar instances in a dataset. Implemented schemes are k-means, em, cobweb, x-means, farthest, first. Given k, the k-means algorithm is implemented in 4 steps. Choose here simple k-means and select use training set. After that, click on start. Explorer attribute selection panel that can be used to investigate which subsets attributes are the most predictive ones. Attribute selection method contains two parts: a search method based first, forward selection, random, exhaustive genetic algorithm ranking. Very flexible is that Weka allows arbitrary combination of these two so that we can choose the attribute evaluator and the search method. Data visualization. Visualization is very useful in practice. Example to determine difficulty of the learning problem. Jitter option to deal with nominal attributes and to detect the hidden data points, zoom in function, etc. So after that, we have to visualize the sepal length, sepal width, class, petal length. This is as shown below. And after submitting, we can see the Weka Explorer visualizing iris. These are the references and the resources which are used here. Thank you.